Hi and welcome to this DCP Web tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to create a slideshow video using images on your Facebook page. So if I open up this folder, you'll see I've got these various images in this directory, and each one is really just a little showcase of a project that I worked on recently. So they're just different projects that I've worked on. Most importantly, each image is exactly the same dimension, so it's 1140 by 500. So whenever you create these slideshows on Facebook, you want to make sure that all your images are exactly the same size. That's quite important. That way the video will come out better when it's done. So if I close this and open up Facebook, here I've got it open, I'll click on this write a post here, and then I'll click photo and video here. And inside the options here, I'm going to select create a slideshow, add 3 to 10 photos to create a video. So let's click that, and then Facebook is asking me to upload. So I'm going to click add photos. Then I've got a choice. I can either select from images that have been uploaded previously, take a photo, or upload. So I'm going to select the upload button, and then I'm going to select all 10 of these pictures. You can select a maximum of 10. So there's 10 here. I'll click open, and Facebook's going to start to upload those images, and each one of these is a different slide in the video that it's going to create. So you can reshuffle these around. So if you don't want this one to be first, for example, you can just drag an image all the way to the beginning. Now this one will be first, and then maybe we'll put this one second. We'll drag them around a little bit, and we'll just try and line them up in the order that we want. And you can drag on this timeline to move across, and you can pick an image right from the end and drag it across as well, just like this. So here you can see the 10 images. And then you've got some other options. You can change the shape of the image, but I wouldn't recommend this. I would leave it as original. That way it will stay in its correct aspect ratio, and you'll be able to see the image clearly. This is the duration, so you can say how long between each slide does it pause. And I'm going to say 1 second. I think that's pretty good. But if you've taken images or something that you want to show more detail in the picture, then you may want to slow this down, or you may even want to speed it up. But just leave it on its default 1 second. Then the transition, you can have no transition between each video or each slide, image slide, or you can set it to fade, and it will fade in and out between these slides here. The last thing you can do is add music. So we'll click add music, and we'll select this chill wave, and then after we selected that, we'll simply create the slideshow down here. So let's select that audio track, and we'll create that button to create the slideshow. Now you can write something before you finish your post. So in here I'm going to say showcase website design projects, and then I'll just put my website address here so people can click on that if they want to contact me for a website design project. Now one thing to note is when you click this share button, this video won't appear straight away. You need to give Facebook a little bit of time to stitch these images together to create that video. So be a little bit patient, and we'll click share now, and then I'll pause this video and I'll let you know roughly how long it took for Facebook to display this particular post on the timeline. So let's click share now. And you can see it says uploading, and it will take a little bit of time. It might display pretty quick. We'll have a look. So we have to wait a little bit. Yeah, so we have to wait a few minutes for that video to be created, and then it will display on the timeline. So I'll pause this video and we'll come back and check it. Okay, so it looked like it took around 30 seconds for Facebook to create that video clip, and now you can see that video clip here. So it's just rotating around the images. Probably it would have been wiser to have a bit more duration between them. Do you remember there's an option to say 1 second or 2 seconds or 3 seconds? I think that's a little bit too fast. You have to click on this speaker icon in order to hear the audio. And then you can click on this button here, and then it will put it in a little window over here. Or you can click on the expand, and it will show it full screen. So that's pretty much it. That's how you create this little slideshow video on your Facebook page. I would definitely recommend you slow down the speed of these transitions, and maybe set it to something like 3 seconds. I think that's way too fast. It's a bit hard to see what's going on. So I hope you find this tutorial useful. Go and create these become more engaging as well, and you can got a link here straight to my website as well. So if people see something they like in the clip, they can click on your website and go straight to your website, or write a comment and maybe contact you, and you can get a bit of business that way. Okay, so I'll minimize this. That's the end of this tutorial, and I look forward to seeing you on the next DCP web tutorial.